we done counselling for his daughter, Pratyasha Paul, at Shri Siddhartha Tulkur Medical Hospitals in Bangalore, Karnataka. Now I'll hand over the mic to sir. And sir, tell us about your experiences with Shikkha and আপনার এই যে প্রসেস আমাদের থেকে হলো যে কলেজ আপনি যেটা পেয়েছেন, if you are satisfied with it and all.
My name is Dr. Mawai Kumar Pal. I am working in Apollo Hospital. So I came to this place. Somebody in my family who have sent me the person who is the head of the department of here, Mr. Yusuf Jalan. So first of all I met him, and the way he teaches me what about the process and how the admission is going on, what are the seats, how many seats in India. So everything he explained at least for one hour. So after learning so many things from here, and then we will decide. I handed over my daughter to him, and he always, from the beginning, he always told me there is 100% assurance. I will give you 100% assurance that our daughter will get admitted somewhere in India. So first of all, he asked me to choose any one state. So I was always preferring the southern part of India and Orissa. After a long time, so my daughter got admitted in this Tumkur Medical College. This is Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur in Karnataka, and she's doing well still there. In this institution, all the members in that place is very friendly, and they will help you a lot. And the people like Saklain and that Amir, they got all the send any information, and they each and every time they help us. So I deeply acknowledge Mr. Yusuf Jalan and this Saklain Bhai and all the staffs. I really appreciated their work.
Any feedback আপনি যেটা দিতে চাইছেন যে আমরা যে প্রসেস যেরকম করেছিলাম সেটা ফ্রেন্ডলি ছিল, মানে আপনার ইউজার ফ্রেন্ডলি ছিল?
Always user and friendly. Always any process, if you are come to this institution for your help, they will give you 100% accuracy, 100% friendly advice. There was no hidden anything in this in your discussion. So please come to this institution. If you have any difficulties, ask anyone like Saklain and Amir. So they will explain me everything. And after all, Mr. Yusuf Jalan, the most busiest person you can imagine. So from my family side, we are really acknowledging.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.